In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer MetaTrader 5 to a new computer. If you've recently upgraded your computer or are simply transitioning to a new workstation, transferring MetaTrader 5 might seem like a daunting task. But don't worry, I'm here to make the process as easy and straightforward as possible. By the end of this video, you'll have your MetaTrader 5 up and running on your new device, ready to resume trading without a hitch. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do after installing MetaTrader 5 on your new computer is to open the program. If you haven't already downloaded it, simply visit the MetaTrader 5 website, download the installation file, and follow the prompts to get it onto your new machine. Once it's installed and you're ready to go, let's make sure your trading account is correctly set up. Starting off, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of MetaTrader 5. Here, we'll need to log into your trading account. In the upper left corner of your screen, you'll see a menu option labeled File. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, you need to select Login to Trade Account. Clicking this will open up a login window where you can input your trading details. This step is crucial as it syncs all your trading data to your new device, ensuring you have uninterrupted access to your accounts. In the login window, you'll need to enter 3 critical pieces of information. First, type in your trading account number. Be sure to double check this number for accuracy, as even a small mistake could prevent you from logging in. Next, you'll have to enter your password. Remember, this password is case sensitive, so ensure your caps lock is off and type it exactly as you have it saved or remembered. Lastly, enter your broker's server address. This is typically provided by your broker when you initially set up your account. Once all your information is entered accurately, go ahead and click the OK button. This action will initiate the connection process, and within a few moments you should see your trading account's balance and other relevant details populate in the terminal. This confirmation indicates that you've successfully logged into your account on your new computer. If everything appears as expected, congratulations, your MetaTrader 5 setup is complete and fully operational. Remember, while these steps might seem straightforward, the accuracy of information entry cannot be overemphasized. If you encounter any issues, double-check each piece of information you've entered to ensure there are no errors. And that's it. You're now ready to continue your trading activities seamlessly, enjoying all the features and tools MetaTrader 5 has to offer from your new